So first, we're gonna pull up the rewinding clamp, pull open the paper guide, unroll this out and pull up. Once the old labels are out and to the side, I'm gonna go ahead and put one of our own. Before I put this roll in or on the bobbin, I'm gonna remove 4 to 5 labels because I want that empty space on the paper to be able to install this properly. I'm gonna go ahead and place the label roll right on the bobbin. Secondly, I'm gonna go in between the paper guide and this little metal wall here. I'm gonna start pulling my paper. Third, I'm gonna go in between these 2 cylinders. One with a screw, the other doesn't. Pull a bit more. Following the end of the plastic cartridge, I'm gonna go in between that and this little metal piece here. Continue pulling. I'm gonna unroll it back once we get to this point. Once we're at this point, you're gonna get your rewinding clamp. And this opening here, we're gonna line it up and catch this end of the label. So with one finger pressed down and your other hand, just gently slide your rewinding clamp down as such until it hits all the way to the bottom. I'm just gonna roll it up a bit. The machine will do that itself though. This little paper guide has been opened. It's very important to not leave it as such. Another thing that you just saw me do, this little plastic down there is a gap sensor. It's very important that that does not get covered and the paper goes in between the gap sensor and this metal wall here. Once that's achieved, you want to close this paper guide. Now we're all set setting up the new paper label roll. And you're gonna just push this back in gently. You don't want to slam that. The inside of that has a magnet that catches to the cartridge itself and it'll pull itself nicely shut.